How can you say? How can you say about this place?
How can I say?
Run. Video niya.
Video na naman. Aray agaw, video ang ano.
Ah, gabi na yabi. Oh, love that. Oh, the sunset. Ah, na na na.
Don't fall.
Lumukso abing tao.
No, just wait until it's, you know. This is Agtalin, Dulangan.
Yeah.
Dulangan Pilar Capiz,
Naara na yun.
Philippines.
Diskan sa akon ran naara.
Our first time seeing the sunset with my beloved husband, Mr. Harris.
After 2.5 years.
After 2.5 years.
First sunset.
Oh yeah. Later it will gone and we will turn which Aswang. So one more, the ring of the bill. It will be lots of witch. Ooh, I'm joking. That's a joke only. That's a joke only. Pati ba na sila? Yung video ko nga daan. I was just joking.
Just kidding.
Just look though. It's gone. It's gone. Oh, my wings. It turning. Yeah, look. Oh, nice. Nice. Nice.
Na manana na picture niya sa kanal. Yan na masabi niya na.
I love it. Wow.
Yan niya. Wala naman ito.
Wow, exactly. Wala pa 6 yan. Oh.
Sa kami harap ko. Kuda ko pa.
I love that. Just focus, love.
Tanawag lang kuda ko.
Oh, good.
Kuda ko saw. Kuda ko. Hindi mawala ya. Adlaw na na yan.
Lapit na.
Ayan na siya.
Very near. Oh, bilis lang, no?
My first Philippine sunset. Videotaping my wife watching our first Philippine sunset.
Oh, yeah, Philippine sunset. In Capiz. Yes.
Wow, tanaw.
Wow. Even if it's not good in my camera, but that's okay. So you better come here to Philippines, especially in Capiz. This is the one we're talking about. Bye, sunset. See you next. After 3 years. This is 2012. Oh no, this is 2014. And after 3 years, come back here. Oh,
Araw na kadlaw.